If you're getting the GPU initialization failed error in DaVinci Resolve, here is how to fix it. Start by opening the software for your graphics card. If you are using an NVIDIA GPU, open the NVIDIA Control Panel or GeForce Experience. If you are using an AMD GPU, open the AMD Adrenalin software. Once the software is open, look for the section that shows driver updates. If you see that a new driver is available, update it. Wait for the update to complete and then restart your computer. If updating the drivers does not solve the problem, go to the Start menu and search for Graphics Settings. In the Graphics Settings window, look for the option that says Add a desktop app. Click on it. This will open a File Explorer window. Now find the DaVinci Resolve application file. It is usually located in the Program Files folder in the C drive. Look inside the Blackmagic Design folder, then inside the DaVinci Resolve folder. The file will be named resolve.x. Select it and click Add. Once added, you will see Resolve in the list of apps. Click on it and then click on Options. A small window will open. Change the graphics preference from Let Windows Decide to High Performance. Make sure your GPU is shown in the brackets. Then click Save and close the settings. Now try opening DaVinci Resolve again. If it still shows the same error, you might need to reinstall DaVinci Resolve or check if a new version is available and update it. That is it.